The Lion's Rescue, the power of friendship and unity. Once upon a time, a lion was happily walking in the jungle when suddenly he got trapped in a net. He roared for help. And his friend, the bear, heard his cry. The bear quickly ran to help. Soon, the clever monkey also heard the lion's call and joined them. They saw the lion trapped in the net and wondered how to free him. Then an idea struck them. The monkey climbed onto a branch and tied himself with a plant climber. The bear pulled the plant climber and the monkey reached the net. With his quick hands, the monkey untangled the lion from the net. The lion was overjoyed and very grateful. From that day on, they all stayed good friends and helped each other whenever needed. The moral of the story is kindness and unity can overcome any obstacle.
The athlete.